Jai Hind children, let's start second chapter fraction and decimals. Now I am showing one picture on the screen. It comprises of fractions. Next is the definition of fraction. The numbers of the form a by b, where a, that is your numerator, may be any natural number, and b, that is the denominator, may be any natural number. So a may be any natural number as well as b may be any natural number. Let's see with an example what are these fractions. Let's see with an example. 5 by 8, as you can see, 5 is a natural number, 8 is also a natural number. All numbers starting with 1, 2, 3 and so on, all counting numbers are called as natural numbers. So 5 is a natural number and 8 is also a natural number. So 5 by 8 is in the form of a by b. So it is a fraction. So you can see various example of fractions. Now you can see the picture showing the fraction. Now next is types of fraction. What are the different types of fraction? First one is decimal fraction, then we will have vulgar fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So let's learn these fractions one by one. First one is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction whose denominator is any of the numbers, maybe 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So let's see with an example. 7 by 100, this is children, it is an example of fraction because it is in the form of a by b, where a is any natural number, b is also a natural number. But as you can see in denominator it is having 100, here it is having 10. So if a fraction whose denominator may be 10 or 100 or 1000 and so on, then it will be a decimal fraction. Next is vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction whose denominator is whole number other than 10, 100, 1000 and so on. It will be a whole number. Whole number means it will not carry 0 beta, but it can carry 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, all natural numbers, but it will not contain 10, 100 and 1000. See, here in the denominator it is a number other than 10, 100, 1000 and so on. In this case also, these two are the natural numbers. Next one is proper fraction. Proper fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. Let's see with an example. 7 by 15. It's a proper fraction. Here numerator 7 is less than its denominator. In this case also you can see the numerator is less than the denominator. Now next is improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator is more than or equal to its denominator. Let's see. Here numerator is 9 and it is more than its denominator. And in the second example, numerator is equal to its denominator. So in both the cases, either more or equal to the denominator, then it will be an improper fraction. Now after this we are having mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, which can be expressed as the sum of natural number, one will be your natural number and another one will be your proper fraction always. See, 2, it is a natural number, and 4 by 7, sum of natural number and proper fraction. Why proper fraction? Because numerator is smaller than its denominator. In this case also, sum of natural number 3 and 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. So these type of examples are mixed fraction. Now we can see some different other examples also in fraction. One is like fraction. Like fraction having same denominators but different numerator. We will focus either in like fraction or in unlike fraction. In both the cases we will focus on the denominator. If the denominators are same, children, if the denominators are same, see I have taken 3 different fractions example, and in all the 3 fractions denominators were equal, so they are like fraction. Now unlike fraction, fraction having different denominators, fraction having different denominators. You can see 4 by 7, 3 by 8, 5 by 11. Here in all the cases the denominators are different. In the like fraction the denominators were equal. 7 7 7 I have taken in that case. Here 7, one denominator is 8, one denominator is 11. So 3 different fractions but having different denominators. So in this case these are called as unlike fraction.